Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to manage motion sensor settings on Opera GX. It's quite simple. All you have to do is open up your settings. I prefer using the keyboard shortcuts of Alternate and P, and once you're there, you scroll all the way down until you get to Site Settings. Site Settings, and once you've gotten to site settings, then you scroll down until you see additional permission. Then you click on the arrow facing down. Then next you can see motion sensors as a second option. Now here you click on it to open up the settings so you can choose the site that can use motion sensor or not. Now here we go, motion sensors. Now sites usually use your device motion sensors for features like virtual reality or fitness tracking. So you can decide the default behavior, that is, sites automatically follow the settings when you visit them. What behavior should they follow? What settings should they follow? We have the first one, which is sites can use motion sensors. If you want this, then you leave it on. If you do not want to allow sites to use motion sensors, turn it off here. But note that the features that need motion sensors won't work on those sites. Then if you want all the sites to be able to use motion sensors, but there are some particular sites you do not want to allow, you set them, and once you set them, they will appear here. For those that are not allowed to use motion sensors, you will see them here. Sites that are allowed to use motion sensors, when you choose to not allow here, you see them here. These are for exceptional cases. It's as simple as that. That is how to manage motion sensors settings on Opera GX.